Everyone knows these little things can be a farmer's best friend, but how the heck are you supposed to store these things and keep all the different sizes straight? Farmer Marc Johnson of Mead, Nebraska used leftover PVC piping for this task. I'm Dave Mowitz with Successful Farming. In the next 30 seconds, I'll show you why you should try the same. This hack is simple. Cut 1.5-inch pipe as long as you need to fit each length of the zip tie you like to have on hand. Since organizing his zip ties this way, Marc has found they take up less space in the shop and the tubes are easier to grab and take to the field. When I recreated Marc's hack, I cut the piping so that it was 1/2 inch shorter than the length of the tie. To keep the ties from slipping out of the bottom of the tubes, I glued caps to the ends. If you plan to throw these tubes in a toolbox or glove box, you may want to cut the pipe slightly longer than the ties and slip a cap on both ends to keep them contained and dust-free. You should even label them with a Sharpie to know what size you're getting into. If you're ready to hack your farm shop, give us a follow and discover more shop hacks like this at agriculture.com/shophacks.